Had a customer approach me about a month ago, that customer being my daughter, and she found this dresser on the side of the road and she wanted to bring it home. And I told her, no, I didn't want the junk in my garage. When I came home from work the very next day, guess what was in my garage? This dresser. So, as a good father, I promptly went to work, stripping it, sanding it, trying to clean it up. It was in really bad shape, very, very ugly. The colors they had on there was this brown and it had been painted a couple of times. And so I found this handy little tool here and scraped off all the old paint and the primer. Tried to pick out some of the stuff from, these little inlays here. And that was quite a challenge. I was not real happy about doing this. But the thing about it was, at the end of last year, I told myself I wanted to try a restoration piece. I've never done that before, and I've seen a lot of people do it. They look like it could be a lot of fun. And so, lo and behold, my daughter brought me home a project for me to work on, and so I did. And as I went along, a couple things occurred to me. One, I'm not real sure I'm good at this. There's some details there that challenged me quite a bit, like this little patch job here that I don't think I did a really great job on. If you see it in the light, you could see it there. When it's pretty dark, it kind of fades away. You don't really see it that much. But I don't think this is what I want to do. I think I might try a couple more of these restoration jobs, but I'm not really sure this is for me. We'll see.